Good morning everyone. I welcome you all to RKP online classes. Today we are going to start our syllabus and our first topic is about plants. You all have done about plants in your previous class. Yes, and you all are aware what are plants and what are the different parts of plant. So now let me show you again what are the different parts of plant. You can see this plant carefully. Yes, and you are also able to see the different parts of the plant. This is the plant which is there on the soil, and some part of the plant is under the soil also, and here you can see the plant is tightly fixed in the soil and plants cannot move here and there, right? Because the roots of the plants hold the plant very tightly in the soil. That is why plants are fixed at their own place, right? And this is the plant, this is medium sized plant, and you can guess what type of plant it is. It is herb, shrub, climber, creeper or tree. You can tell. So your first question of this video is which type of plant it is. You have to write down the answer in your classwork notebook now only. Is it herb? Is it shrub? Is it climber? Is it creeper? Or is it a tree? How to see? How to check? You can check the height of the plant. You can check the type of the branch or the stem. You can check the different parts, they are in green color or not, the stem is woody or stem is hard or not, it is soft or not. You can check the various characteristics of the plant and then you can tell which type of plant it is. Fine. So I hope you all have written this answer in your notebook. So now we will look at the different parts of the plant. First of all, can you see this woody structure, the straight structure which is holding the plant upright? Upright means straight. This woody structure which is holding the plant upright, this is called stem. This is called stem. And these are the different branches which are coming out of the stem. And this part, you all are aware, which part is this? This is the leaf part of the plant. This is the leaf part of the plant. So we have done stem, we have done branches, we have done roots. Fine. So now I will show you different plant and more parts of the plant. Next question you have to do in your classwork notebook is write the parts of the plant which we have discussed now. We have discussed 3 parts of the plant. You have to write the name of those plants, right? So I hope you all have written now in your classwork notebook. Now next part of the plant is roots, which I have told you that is under the ground, which fixes the plant under the ground very tightly. I'll show you the roots. These are the roots of the plant. I have plucked it out of the ground. Pay attention beta, you don't have to pluck any part of the plant anywhere. It is not good to pluck any part of the plant. I have plucked it out just to show you, but again I will throw this under the soil only. Clear? So these are the roots of the plant. These are having different branches which hold the soil very tightly, which make this plant fixes under the ground. That is why plants are fixed under the ground. These roots are only responsible to absorb the water from the soil and give it to the stem part. These roots absorb the water present under the soil and give it to the stem part, and through the stem part each and every part of the plant is connected. So each and every part of the plant takes water from the stem and stem takes water from the roots. Fine. So question number 3 of this video. Question number 3 of this video is what is the main function of the root which I have told you just now? What is the main function of the root which I have told you just now? So write down the answer of this question in your notebook.